Going live on Facebook is super easy. You can go live on a number of pages. The first page that you can go live on is your actual profile. And the easy way to do that is just simply by going to post, and where it says what's on your mind, instead of doing a photo or a video or tagging or doing a mood like I'm feeling happy or any of that kind of thing, you can just share live video. And it's very simple. All you have to do is simply press this live video button and your face comes up, hello. And what you do is you press continue, you describe your video and you put something like just saying hello. Now, I'm not going to do it to my friends, but all you have to do is just press go live, 3 seconds, 3, 2, 1, and then you are live. Okay, now let's show you another way, probably my favourite way of going live, and that is on page. And the reason why it's good is because your page is your very own channel. So we go to Supoman, my page, and this is a Facebook page, a traditional Facebook page. And you go to publish, and again, instead of putting a photo or a status or a smiley face or a tagging, you can just go live. Press that live button. And we're going to put, we are live, hello. Just press go live, and then you can see, 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, what's up? It's Supoman here, and I am just testing this awesome live feature on my page. So, hi guys, this is going to be deleted, so don't you worry. I'm not going to be clogging up my timeline with any nonsense. This is just simply a test. Now what happens is that when you're actually live, you will see on the top left where it says live, you'll see 1 viewer, 2 viewers, 10 viewers, 20 viewers, and it'll start telling you when it's going popular. And then what also happens is people can like it or react to your video. And you will see the little react icons. You'll see the love icon, the angry icon, or just simply the like icon going across the page. On Periscope, you've got hearts going up the right-hand side of your stream. But on Facebook Live, you've got the hearts going across from left to right and just appearing in various places. It looks very snazzy. So that is how you go live on a page. Now, what we're going to do is we are going to go live. It's just video. Now you can save that to your camera roll. It will, however, stay on your page unless you delete it. And of course, you can go live in a group, and I'm going to show you how. So it's really simple to just go live. And the great thing about going live is that because Facebook are so keen for live to flourish amongst all the other live streaming apps that have been created, is the way they do it is by making live streams appear at the top. So they're giving preference to your live streams in their algorithm. It's going to the top of the timeline so it doesn't get ignored. So where you've got pictures that you're really proud of that get 1 or 2 likes, when you go live on Facebook Live, what happens is that they prioritize your live stream above everything else on your friend's timeline. So it's really good. And again, you can go live on a group. Now, Udemy Studio is a group I'm part of. Again, you can do all the traditional things, post a normal status, post a video, post a photo, but what you can also do is you can go live. And you will appear at the top of their timeline, and it's brilliant. So that is how you go live. It's so simple. You simply press the live button, you give it a title, you press go live, and you go live. And then you're there in real time, and people can search for you on the Facebook Live map, and people can converse with you live there and then. So that is how you go live on Facebook Live. I'll see you in the next chapter.